Hello guys, so today I'm going to be talking about safety in science. The reason why we need safety in science is so important is because if you walk into a lab and not knowing what kind of chemicals there are, and you just start mixing random things together, you can get a chemical reaction. Kind of like baking soda. Yeah, baking soda and vinegar. Trying to get it at the right angle. So in here, it's kind of hard to see, but I did a chemical reaction of baking soda and vinegar. So I will attempt to do that again. If you mix random chemicals together, you will get chemical reactions such as this. So technically, safety in science also has to do with chemicals. So I'm just going to try and find the right cup. I have 6 different cups containing different things. So right here, in this cup, this is cup number 1. So inside this cup, we have lotion and water. Automatically, I know from experience that baking powder and water create a reaction. So I'm going to put some of that in. That was baking powder, and this is baking soda. Now, it doesn't look like it's really doing anything. You can sort of see it starting to fizz there. I'm just going to grab something to mix it with. I'm just going to give it a mix. It doesn't really create that big of a chemical reaction. So, I'm going to recommend that you let me do this to find out what happens, and then if it's safe, you can do it. Because I wouldn't recommend doing it without somebody else trying it first. So if I blow up the place, it's my fault that you guys did it. So, in other words, just wait for me to do it. Really. I'm trying to find another one of those measuring spoons. Guess I'll use baking. A baking set. So that was cup number 1. Now, I'm going to go and grab cup number 2. If I remember which one it is. 5. 2. Here we go. So the glitter in here is supposed to represent unknown chemicals. So, in here we actually have, I'm going to reveal a secret. It's shampoo and glitter. Very, very basic. So now, watch what happens when I add baking powder, if anything. Let's see if anything happens with baking powder. Nothing really happens. Let's try with baking soda. Nothing happens. Sometimes things happen though when you give them a mix. And sometimes they will actually form some kind of other substance, such as in this case. I'm just going to give it a mix. It turns out like that. This isn't normal shampoo. This is actually dog/cat shampoo. Yeah. So safety in science really is important because if you don't take any precautions and safeties in science, then you could end up blowing up the science place or like the lab or whatever you're doing. in this case. I'm just trying to find number 3. That's number 4. Number 6. Number 3. Number 3, we have a little bit of milk. It's been in the fridge overnight because I did all of this yesterday. So, that's milk. I'm going to just take some baking powder now. Now, I didn't put that much baking powder in, so I'm just going to add a little bit more baking soda. So, it doesn't really create any kind of reaction. Now I'm going to stir it and see if anything happens. So if you attempt this one, basically you're fine. You're fine to do the first 3. Now we're going to move on to number 4. For number 4, it's very weird after I random things and put them together. Which is something in a lab you don't really want to do. But it's this plus water. So, I'm going to see what happens. Now, I don't really want to risk putting it on the camera, or my camera, to watch it. So I don't want to wreck my camera. If something starts to happen, I'll definitely show you. But nothing so far is. I don't think, at least. Baking powder. So something sort of is happening here. It does look like it's starting to fizz. It is fizzing, like definitely fizzing. So I'm just in between washing my spoons, so I don't get other, what I call, not really chemicals, but yeah. So I don't mix other things together. Now here, I forgot what this is, which is not something you really want to label things, but this will be very dangerous. Stuff is expanding. Baking powder. Baking soda. Baking powder definitely has been the thing that seems to activate all of this the most. So it does have water in it, that's what I know for sure. It doesn't really do anything when you stir it. So it's kind of a bust. But a good thing for you guys to know, or a good example of why you should label things. Oh, that was number 5. Now we have ketchup and mayo. It's not even close to liquid. It does kind of run, but not that much. So I'm just going to add a tiny bit of water to it. Definitely know it will activate now. Still like paste, and it smells awful. Actually, it doesn't smell that bad. Actually, yeah, it does. Just rinsing the blood off the spoon. I'm joking, it's not actually blood. So I'm now going to add baking powder first. It is actually forming a reaction. That was baking. Oh, that was baking soda. It definitely formed a reaction. It's hard to hold it and make it to show. It is fizzing. You can see that it's fizzing. And it's definitely expanded. The more I stir it, the more it expands. Okay, so out of all, I think this is the best reaction I've had out of this stuff. So I'm gonna keep it lasting for a little bit longer and see how big we can actually get it. Because baking powder makes things expand, definitely. And it's usually, I think, the key ingredient to making really fluffy cookies. It smells like tomato soup. So, there's your trick how to make tomato soup. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.